In this video, how to bypass this screen to install Windows 11 with a local account. As you can see, there is no option to continue without a Microsoft Online account. If you disconnect from the internet, this screen will appear and you will be unable to continue the installation. In this video, I will demonstrate two methods to circumvent this restriction and install Windows 11 without an online account or internet connection. For the first method, press Shift plus F10 or FN plus Shift plus F10 on a laptop to summon the command prompt window. Press Alt plus Tab to switch to the command prompt. Now, enter the following command and press Enter. A new window will appear, enabling you to create a local account and password. As you can observe, the installation will then proceed to the preparation screens, and you will reach the desktop more swiftly. If the first method proves unsuccessful, you may resort to the second approach. Open the command prompt by pressing Shift plus F10. Next, type Regedit and press Enter to launch the Registry editor. Navigate to the following key. On the right area, you will need to create two dword values and set their data to one as follows. Once completed, close the Registry editor and restart your computer. As you can now see, this method is effective. Additionally, if you are installing the Windows 11 Pro Edition, you will encounter two options. If you opt for Setup for personal use, you will be met with the sign-in screen and will be unable to proceed without a Microsoft account. Click the Sign In button. As you can see, there is no option to sign in with a local account. Now, click Go Back to return to the previous step. Now, select the Setup for Work or School option. On the Sign-In screen, choose Sign-In Options. The Domain Join Instead option will become available, allowing you to install Windows 11 using a local account. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.